Hello my fellow followers, it's me, the Raw Review Master again. Today I've got a special thing here, let me show you. I bought one of these Makita pole shredders. Apparently this thing can go so high that you can cut all the shrubs from the Eiffel Tower. It is a 460mm hedge trimmer that works with a battery. Now this is the package that comes with nothing else except for it. It's called the DUN461WZ. Okay, it works with all the batteries. Now I've got plenty of them because I've got all the Makita stuff. So that's not why I don't need any more batteries, because I don't want to lit up the Eiffel Tower, you know. So that's what it looks like. I'm gonna unbox it and then I'll show you exactly what is in there. But just quickly, if I turn it this way, it's got a telescopic design, so you can extend your pole, you can change the angles, and then also you can reach all the way to the top there without having to balance yourself like a circus master on a ladder, you know. So yeah, let me open it up, I'll show you what's inside the box. Okay, just quickly, this is what it looks like on the inside of it. Not much. Again, there's some manuals that comes with it, but again, as if you've seen on my previous videos, I don't normally read that stuff because there's not much to know. You plug your battery on that side and you shred on the other side. So if you open up this bit, you get a cover for your blades as well, as you can see there, so your fingertips will be safe. So this is an easy machine. You can plug any one of these bad boys in there, you know. You can press this little button here to see if it's all the way charged up. I've got a 5 amp 18 volt battery. Now what's pretty cool about this thing is, like I said, you can change the angles. Press that in and change your angles. You flip this up and you can extend the pole so that you can cut all the lights from the Eiffel Tower at night if it is too shiny. And then the pole is obviously like telescopic, so it goes in there. So this handle, you slide it up depending on the length you want it, and you just tighten this bad boy. So I'm going to show you briefly. I am not the most experienced shredder, but these are some of my trees that I need to do. And then also, if you come this way, I've got these little trimmings to do, so I'll show you exactly how that works and then we'll take it from there. Nice. So people, this is what it looks like in real life. Like I said, you can extend the ladder or your telescopic pole, and again, this thing goes so high you don't have to try and balance yourself on any ladders. You can then also just unscrew this bad boy, unscrew it, right, and then you can adjust your handle where you want to hold it. It's pretty light, you know, so the lightest of light things. Looks like it's very sharp, so we're going to test it on this little shrub quickly and just see for interest's sake how it works. Now look, I've already attached my trusty battery, which is the same one as I showed you earlier. It just slides into the slot, bang, and then there's a little button here. You press the button and then you, oops, maybe I should do this, and then it goes. Look at it. Brrr. And let's see, look at my arm sucker. As you can see, I'm an experienced shredder. I've done this multiple times in my life. So the trick is to try and get this thing like a box. I don't want to try and make a Santa out of it or one of the reindeers. I'm just going to trim it up. I'll show you the final product after. Okay, my fellow peeps, so this is my final product. Look at it, pretty straight. I tell you, it was really simple to do. The cleanup bit is always the tough bit, so I think I need to redo my cleanups, otherwise my neighbors will complain. But look at this, it is level as pretty. I even rounded the edges. Look at it, and that's it. I did all of that. I also cut it those ones. Didn't want to go on the top tips there because I don't want my neighbors to look into my garden, if you know what I mean. And then yeah, if I show you this bit, look at it, professional. I did it all with a battery and it is still not even finished.